Nimeshikwa na mahanja mzani banda mahanja. Let me whisper in your ear.
Keep all of that gyration thing to yourself, my G.
Reaction.
Boom! What's ready to be support our vlogs, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Yo, you know already. Comment on this video to see your comment right there next to that I post. You see me? I say, and we are posting all week, so drop a comments there. And subscribe if you're new. We're on the road to 100k. You see me? We're almost at what 63k right now. We're just at 60 few. You know the vibe already. Anyway, we have a song from Sauti. It's a old song, I think it's like 4 years old, but yeah, I'm reacting to everything that y'all recommended. Literally just took the phone up, went to the comment section and picked like 5 random songs from the comments, and that's what we're doing today. So this one is called, yeah, Nishike. I ain't gonna spoil the name. It's called Touch Me in English. There we go. Simple. Anyways, let's get straight to the reaction. Y'all know it's gonna be the best video watching in your life, so you might as well subscribe and you might as well like the video. You might as well just drop a comment right now, and if you don't have a comment, just drop some fire emoji. Don't make it so hard, go on. Aren't you? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I think I read the comment and the man say, yo, you're not gonna be disappointed if you react to that song, Yana. And so far, you don't know the vibe we are saying, but I have a question for you. Why most of the man them over Kenya balling? The woman them like bald man or something, brother? Buckler, go on.
Turn off the lights, pretty baby. Put on some make love song.
Jesus. He dog say, put on some make love song. Master, to have like them in the place. Put on some make love song. Go on.
Turn down the noise, pretty darling. Play me some Sauti soul. Nimeshikwa na mahanja mzani banda mahanja. Let me whisper in your ear.
Keep all of that gyration thing to yourself, my G. No, keep that gyration thing to yourself. But make us so yeah, go with Boomer still. Go on.
Baby, get me right and clear. Ooh, Nishike, baby. Nishike.
Yeah. Keep the gyration thing to yourself, now, my G. You know, I tell you a while ago. I don't want to see that. Keep that for the females. Go on.
Until you say I'm gonna make you say
Raleigh.
it's me and you.
Okay. I remember in the comments I'm seeing y'all saying, yo, they're like a band that they split up now or something like that. So okay. Come on, this is a different artist, this is not one name I see, but alright, get it, go on.
Baby, let's get in the mood.
Stop blood clapping.
Hey.
Because I what kind of grandmother man them have the bumper clap video that. Mama, look from that scene, actually. You know, like when granny look like that sort of blood clad. No.
Hey, you with a pretty little smile. I wanna see the light just shining in your eyes.
Alright then.
You know what to do. Zima washa mishuma. Panisha msuka baby sasa twende kazi. Tamu kama wali.
I must film girlfriend this because you know, so you could get a bigger body girl in the video. Like, come on, no man. You see me? I say, come with them flat iron board body here. Come on, go on.
Nakuomba baby unishike. Unishike mpenzi. Unishike. No.
I forgot to say it's an old video. I forgot to say the video is like, how much year old? I think a 4-year-old video. My fiance said, no, mama, you can't have one of them big old jaws in a music video, dog. But it's alright, go on.
No, until you say
and Virgo, Christopher Martin. The blood killer did not come in and say,
I wanna hold you tighter and sweeter. Let's make love tonight. I wanna kiss you tender and deeper. Let's make la 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 la.
What's his name in the video? What's his name? Let me know.
I wanna hold you tighter and sweeter. Let's make love tonight. I wanna kiss you tender and deeper.
Man, I Romeo and Virgo, man, or Christopher Martin. I one of them man, yeah, man. I one of them man, for real, man.
Let's make love. La 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 love. Let's make love. La 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 love loving. And baby, when you tease me.
I'm telling you, I always keep all the gyration tone, no blood clot self, no man, Jano Star. Go on.
Tease me, baby. Put your arms around my body. Let's shake it, baby. Touch me, baby. Oh, hold me, honey. Yeah. Oh, let's shake it.
Here they go. Yeah, why them love ballad man so over there? Why me couldn't love ballad man? I don't like run, like, come on. Superman, Black Panther. Alright, mad thing. Anyways, leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the reactions. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. You know, as a matter of fact, go teach your mother, your sister, your uncle, brother, grandmother, grandfather, niece, nephew, auntie, dog, baby. Hey, take everybody phone in your house and subscribe to the channel. This is message I check it 100k subscribers. So if you don't subscribe yet, you know what you do? You're missing out, so subscribe. Stay tuned for another video tomorrow. But if you want more content, I have another channel called Tarek Reacts. I'm gonna post over this too. So go and watch over this right now, man. You see another video. Peace.